Hi everyone, I am Charlotte Ravet. I am makeup artist and educator, and today I wanted to share with you how I am using Embryolisse skincare into my kit and for myself. So I'm going to start with must-have Embryolisse Lait-Crème concentré. So Embryolisse Lait-Crème concentré has been in my kit for years for a few reasons. So I'm always looking for formula that are well tolerated for my clients, because I've noticed an increase of skin that are more and more sensitive, over exfoliated, so the skin barrier can be a bit damaged, skin that have allergies. And Embryolisse Lait-Crème concentré, it has ingredient of natural origins such as shea butter, aloe vera, soy protein that are going to perfectly hydrate and repair the skin. So it's really an ingredient, skincare that you can use for any skin type, that are going to perfectly as well prep the skin for the makeup application, because it's a multi-use product. So you can apply it as a moisturizer morning and evening. I love applying it as the last step of my skincare routine to really smooth and hydrate the skin. You can also use it as a primer. As I'm talking through, I'm just going to apply a little bit onto my hand to show you the beautiful glow it leaves onto the skin. So when you apply Embryolisse Lait-Crème concentré, you will feel as well that it smooths perfectly well the skin. And why makeup artists will love using it as a primer is because it's really going to help the foundation to glide through at the application. So when you have some dry patches, the skin that feels a bit rough, the foundation that does not perfectly apply, I really recommend you to try Embryolisse Lait-Crème concentré as a primer to have this beautiful glow and also help you with the application of your product. I also love using it as a mask. So when your skin is like constant anything anymore, you feel a bit rough, dry patches, red, is drinking any product you apply, I apply it on a thicker layer, and I do, I brush my hair, brush my teeth, and then I remove a bit the excess, just reapply a thin layer over again, and this one I'm going to use it as a primer before the makeup application. Now, I love it as well in the fluid version because I love the packaging, which is very handy. I love a sheer texture, so little tips. What I love to do is mixing a bit with some shimmer pigment and dab on my cheekbone as a highlighter, but you can also apply it face and body. Now, for extremely sensitive skin, you have Lait-Crème sensitive, which is hypoallergenic and can also be used for kids and babies, so it's very safe as well, a very safe formula again. For skin that are very dry, skin that are very dehydrated, I love using Philaderm emulsion. So it has squalane and shea butter, which are going to perfectly repair and moisturize the skin. All right, thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy watching this little video and that you're going to love using Embryolisse skincare like I do. Thank you very much, and au revoir.